to my channel. I look awful mess this morning. I'm like, why does she have a hat on? I'm getting my hair done today. Today's maintenance day, so I look horrible. Need new nails, eyelashes, hair, everything. Like, it's maintenance day and I'm looking like this. So I have my braids on. I don't like to get my hair braided every time I get a new install. I usually wear like my old braids like for probably like 3 or 4 installs, literally. So that's what we're doing today. It's maintenance day and I'm very excited. I woke up about an hour ago. It's like 11:23 right now. Brushed my teeth, took a shower, all of that stuff, took my old wig off, all of that. So now I am about to make me a quick breakfast. I'm gonna make me some oatmeal, put a little bit of chia seeds in there, hemp seeds in there, and then I am actually shipping orders right now for both of my businesses. So I'm shipping hair orders and I'm printing labels out for my lash products, and then we're just gonna head out and start maintenance day. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all the gist of today, let y'all know what's going on. I'm very excited. I'm ready, okay, because I'm ready to feel like beautiful right now. I feel like a bald head, you know, scallywag right now. And you guys never get to see like the raw form of me, so this is it. My head is pretty big, yes, I know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, printing shipping labels on my phone. About to pack an order right now. Not a lot of hair on hand lately. I haven't been shipping as much as I used to prior to not having a lot of hair on hand, because a lot of the girls want to just come pick up their hair. So that's what I've been doing. But I have a lot of lash orders that I need to get done because I need to get the girls their stuff as soon as possible. But the thing is, I'm one person when it comes to my business. Like, I run 2 fast-paced businesses. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So it's like, and I'm one person, and on top of that I also service on the lash side, so it's not just selling products. So my life is like complicated all over the place. On top of that, I do YouTube. I do a lot of shit, so it's like one person trying to juggle a lot, everything. But I can't complain. I'm very blessed, so I just gotta do what I gotta do, right? No, but let's pack this order real quickly. Thank you card. So we put this label on here. We have your girl. She bought a 16-inch deep wave wig. Girl, I can't wait to see you in your hair, okay? That was so pretty. So I'm gonna get some of this air out. Okay. Just in all of my orders, especially for wigs, I like to put a wig cap in there, a thank you card. So pretty, right? And also I give you a wig band. So I'm so excited about this. So all of that goes in here. Just get this air out. And then we just peel that off, and voila, it's done. Now it's ready to be sent off. But yes, guys, I'll probably just get back on when I get in the car. I am about to make a quick oatmeal so I can eat real quick and get ready to go. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. On the way to the nail shop. I got my car mount back in my car. Oh my god. Okay, because I vlogged last week when I was doing this, but I ended up not putting the vlog up, which I may or may not put it up. But reason being was I didn't have my car mount. I had to hold my camera and drive at the same time, and y'all know how that be. So I'm so happy about having my car mount back in my car. So this gonna be a good vlog. Yes, we are on the way to the nail shop. That's the first thing on the to-do list. About to go get our nails done. My lash appointment is at 2 o'clock, but I don't know because I'm just now on the way to the nail shop. I probably won't get to the nail shop till 12-11. So hopefully they can do my nails and my toes together like they did last time. and it'll be a little bit faster so I can make it to my lash appointment on time. But my lash appointment is at 2 and my hair appointment is at 5 o'clock. So in between lash and nails, I should be able to ship orders and things like that. Both my lash and my hairstylist are in my salon, so that's the good thing. I'll be able to do everything that I'm supposed to do. But yes guys, I am on the way to get everything done. I had oatmeal, so I'm not gonna stop anywhere and get, like, I usually stop at Starbucks, but this morning I was like, nah bro, you spend too much fucking money at Starbucks. Just make some food at home and call it a day. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the nail shop.
Talk to me, break it down for a chick with some money, yeah. She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up pronto. She do what I say so. Talk to me, break it down for a chick with some money, yeah. Talk to me, break it down for a chick with some money, yeah.
Talk to me, break it down, talk to me, 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 break it down for a chick with some money. She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up pronto. She do what I say so. They 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 so. Break it down for a chick with some money, yeah. She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up pronto. She do what I say so. Drip till her tiptoe. I got on payroll. Shot it 2-5 fuego. Big stick, told her leave. Now bust it down, bust it on the key. Bust it.
Hey guys, okay, so we are finally out of the nail shop. My nails look amazing. Y'all remember how I told y'all my lash appointment was at 2 o'clock, right? So it is currently 2:13. I got out of the nail shop so late, but my nails are so cute. Like, if I ain't gonna do nothing, I'm gonna get my nails and my toes done, okay? Always, period. Like, it's gonna get done. I don't care what I gotta do, how I gotta do it, but the nails and the toes are gonna get done. Like, and I'm always gonna get a design. I'm always gonna get something cute. I'm always gonna do something, okay? But yeah, got my nails done today, got the toes done, so that's off the checklist. Check. Okay, now we're about to go get the lashes done. I should be at my lash appointment around like 2:30, and then my hair appointment is at 5. Okay, so I'm really ready for that. I'm ready to get my hair done, ready to feel like complete, ready to have some lashes on. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the to my lash appointment. Straight these days. Hey y'all, so I made it to my lash appointment. It's like 2:35, something like that, but I made it, so that's the good thing. So I'm gonna lay down, get my lashes done. Don't talk about my hair, y'all, because I'm probably have to go take my head off, and y'all gonna see my silly braids, okay? My grandma braids. Don't judge me. My head is big. I just don't even want
How
to do
this
it.
shit goes. You got your fair share of admirers that call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I am not alone. And if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. You know what is around you. Say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, 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 say my name. If no one is around you, yeah. Say my name, say my name. Cause those other men are practice. And this ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. And this ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit when I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no new. You know how this shit goes. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys around me saying get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I do not know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that'll help me think of someone besides myself. I need someone to leave the front door with. You don't wanna hide no more, cause you're not shy no more. Neither of us wanna play the sides no more. No, I'm not alone, even though nothing was the same. Let me get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. You know what is around you. Say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, baby. Lots of the change.
My hair is done. Y'all heard like this girl love her some highlight hair, huh? My curls falling, but y'all probably like, oh, this girl love her some highlight hair. Yes, y'all, I'm back again, looking like the same. No, but it's just a quick little 1-2 for a little bit, and then, you know, girl's gonna get her hair redone. But yes, my hair is done. It's like, what time is it? What time is it?
8:09.
It's like 8 o'clock. Finally done with the nails, the lashes, and now the hair. Okay, back like I never left, back by popular demand. And let me stop doing the most, because why am I shaking my head and doing all that extra stuff? Yes, y'all know I'm already Hollywood haircut on the hair, Gina Bad on the motherfucking slaying install. As always, book and shop better, period. But that's a wrap on the maintenance vlog, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, click the subscribe button, comment something nice for your girl as always, and hit that like button, period. I hope you guys enjoyed my maintenance vlog today. Okay, I took y'all with me everywhere. I went to go get my nails done. I took y'all to my lash appointment. Lashes looking good and full, and and we came to the hair appointment. Okay, and the hair is done. It's dead. It's doing what it needs to do, period. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget what I told y'all to do, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.